General Degree, born Cardiff, but is a Jamaican dance hall and reggae artist known for his infectious melodies, clever wordplay, and energetic performances. Born on April 28, 1972, in Manchester, Jamaica, due to a passion for music developed. At a young age, he quickly became known for his ability to effortlessly blend dance hall and reggae influences into his music. Like song Come Give Me Your Love, which reached number 61 on the chart in 1997, featuring Richie Stephens. With his catchy hooks and playful lyrics, General Degree's songs resonated with audiences worldwide. Tracks like Traffic Blocking, Granny, and Mr. Do It Niece became chart topping hits, solidifying his place as a dance hall favorite. His music often incorporated elements of humor, storytelling, and social commentary, showcasing his versatility as an artist. General Degree remains active in the music industry, releasing new music and delighting fans with his infectious and timeless sound. His enduring legacy as a dance hall pioneer, his contribution to the evolution and popularity of dance hall music ensures that his legacy will continue to thrive for years to come. With his vibrant personality, catchy tunes, and dedication to his craft have made him a beloved figure in the dance hall community and beyond.